Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Luma from Super Mario Galaxy. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve over to the left and bring it all the way down. Now at the top, let's draw a small curve in, and then let's curve it in and back out underneath. And then a curve down for the other side of the body. Now at the bottom, we're going to hop up slightly and draw a curve across in the middle. And then curve it up on each side for the feet. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's draw two large ovals for the eyes. And then another oval inside on the top left. And then color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. On each side, let's draw a curve out. And then curve it back in underneath. And that's it for Luma. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!